In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload digital products to your Shopify store. Whether you're selling ebooks, digital art, templates, music, or downloadable files, this step-by-step guide will help you set everything up quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the left-hand sidebar and click on Products. This section is where all your store items are managed. Next, click Add Product to create a new digital product listing. Start by entering a product title. Make sure the title clearly describes what customers are purchasing. After that, add a detailed product description explaining the benefits, features, or contents of your digital product. Now scroll down to the media section if you want to upload preview images or graphics for your product page. Adding visuals can help attract more buyers and make your listing look professional. Next, set your product price in the pricing section. Choose an amount that reflects the value of your digital product and fits your market strategy. Now scroll further down and make sure the physical product option is unchecked if available. Since this is a digital product, you don't need shipping enabled. After that, click Save to create the product listing. Now to actually deliver the digital file to customers, you'll need a digital downloads app. Go to Apps from the Shopify sidebar and open the Shopify App Store. Search for a digital downloads app such as Digital Downloads or FileMonk Digital Downloads and install it on your store. Once installed, open the app and attach your digital file to the product you just created. Upload your file whether it's a PDF, zip, MP4 or another downloadable format. After the upload is complete, save your changes and test the product to ensure customers receive the download link correctly after purchase. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a digital product to your Shopify store and prepared it for customers to purchase and download instantly. Thanks for watching and happy selling.